यहाँ से भग जा। अरे यहाँ मत खड़ा हो भाई। Hello, hi everyone. Hello Royal Gaming. Good evening Husna. Good evening Hardik. Good evening Godzilla. Hi. Hello Sneha. Hi Khushi. Hi Indu. How are you all guys? The team will inform that thing by today only. Good evening Amulya. Hello Sushant. Hi Saundarya. Good evening Shalini. Good evening all. Good evening Amu. Certifications. You can do certifications. The team will provide certificate for the bootcamp. Certification is a different thing. Ravi Shankar. Good evening, Sayed. Yeah, I am also fine. Sushant. Good evening, Megha. Good evening, Shankar. Yeah, I'm fine, Hardik. What about you? How many days required to get certificate? The team will inform. Good evening, Yankla. Good evening, Deepak. Hi, Sharat. I have messaged you on. I saw your message on LinkedIn. Good evening, Loki. Good evening, Anand. Good evening, Purna. Guys, do share with your family and your friends, whoever is interested in the boot camp or whoever has missed the yesterday lecture. Because today's session is gonna be killing. Good evening, Yashraj. Yeah, sure. Let's rock. Yes, yes, I saw your message on LinkedIn. I have messaged you. Good evening, Sujan. Good evening, Vijeta. Good evening, Raj. What's your name? Your name is. Good evening, Archana. Good evening, Netravati. Good evening, Vidya. Yes, today is last day of the boot camp. Thanks. Thanks, Ranga. After this course, you will start new bootcamp by next day, not by next day. We will plan. We will plan accordingly. Yeah, team will share a poll with you guys so that you. Hi, music monster. Hi, Ashwant. Hi, Shivender. Good evening. Good evening, Preeti. Hi, Kevin. Good evening. Good evening, Archana. Yes, Hardik. Yes. Yes, we can plan that Flutter session. Let's have a discussion on that. Hello, Anurag. Hello, Chandra. Hi, all. Yeah, do share with your friends who can join the session. And the meanwhile, can anyone know what we talk about yesterday and what I did yesterday? Yeah, happy to see you all guys for attending the session. Hi, Rowdy. Good evening. Hi, Jagdish. Yeah, very good morning. Hi, Dark Free Fire, I guess. Good evening, Bhakti. Hi, Indu. Good evening, Revant. Good evening, Akshar. So, can anyone know what we had talked about yesterday? Do let me know, guys. 7 timestamp through hello world and timestamp through node JS. Correct, Godzilla. How many days it will take up to get the certificate? The team will inform. By the end of this session, I'm gonna you guys to meet a person. For that, you can ask all the queries, all your whatever you want. Like if you want to do an internships kind of a thing, so you can ask her. Okay. Yeah, I am here for the trainings. I'm here for the boot camps. Yeah, blessings. Ishraj. Good evening, Rohit. Can you please provide notes of all our left? I will provide your all the like GitHub code once I put that because I today I forgot to put that. The team will provide you with that thing as well. Good evening, Srishti. Yes, Archana, Node.js and modules. So, can anyone know? Can anyone let me know what is the like? What are the things? How we can start our Node.js server? How we can initialize the Node.js server? Can anyone know? Do let me know, guys, if you know. Mossy Mossy. What's that? Yes, the team has replied. See, whoever is concerned with the certificates. Hi, Chandra. Good evening. Good evening, Jayashri. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Aldo. Yeah. Good evening, Darang. Good evening, Akriti. Oh, do you watch any? Actually, I didn't get time for these things. Like, I haven't watched the I haven't got the time to watch the TV or even my phone as well because I'm on the calls or like on the workings as well. I missed one class. Yes, yes, you will get the certificate if you miss only one class and you have the attendance of the all days, all 6 days intact. Good evening, cricket world. Yeah, thanks to your support, guys. Good evening, Shiva. Good evening, Akshat. Hi, Akshat. Good evening, Dikshita. Yes, correct. NPM start is for running our servers. Now, can anyone know how we can initialize our Node.js file? What is the command for initializing my Node.js file? From tomorrow. Yeah, we will. I am be back with another bootcamp in the coming days or like in the July. Do let me know, guys, if you want a separate boot camp or something on which topic you want. Like you want in a 3JS kind of a project, like for the full 7 days, or like you want me to develop a like portfolio kind of a thing, or you guys wanted me to develop a like different kind of a stuff for you guys, like something of like blockchain and IO, like for the blockchains and NFT parts. I have done that mentoring as well. How much will be the starting package for web developer? That depends on your experience and the skills what you have. How much will be the starting package? For the like four, if you have a 1 year of experience, you can get like 1 or 1.5 years of experience. You can get a like 6 LP package for the same. That is like start. If you are going to a like particular MNC or something, boot camp for app development. Yeah, we will plan that thing as well. Like there are many languages for the app development, so we are I'm planning to like cloud technology. No, I'm not for the like biography thing. Yes, Raj. Boot camp on Flutter. Yes, we can definitely do that in the coming days. I have the like persons of the Flutter, so I will assign. I can ask the team as well when we can do that. So my attendance is only 3 days. Chandra, that the team will confirm because I have the confirmation on one day. You want guys to do a separate boot camp for the like Flutter? Like I will give you guys four options and we will start in 1 minute. Like you want you want the guys like to have a boot camp on the Flutter development or like a separate project full stack development that is purely on the project basis. Third is the like 3JS portfolio kind of a thing. 3JS, the fundamentals of 3JS in the 7 days boot camp. And like my four is the what you say, the NFTs and the blockchain. Which guys you prefer? Good evening, Abhijit. Do let me know, guys. I have given you four options for the same, so we can plan the things accordingly. Yes, Hardik. Yes, I also wanted to learn Flutter. I will also attend that because I am on the like software and all the stuff. Please start our session. We don't have time to listen this stuff. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, Ram. So shall we start, guys? Yeah, we can do that at the end of the session as well, like the poll. But before we have to start because it's time to start. So shall we start, guys? The team will inform Ravi. Go to IT settings. Let me know. From code. Yes, you can switch from that. Shall we start, guys? Do let me know. Yes. So today we start with the developments of the like Laravel. We are starting with the Laravel framework that is used for the full stack development. of the web application softwares, websites, and all. So let me know if my screen is visible. This is the Laravel. In this session, I will, guys, if you go to its official documentation, is my screen visible? Do let me know, guys, if my screen is visible. Just a second. Okay, I have just this. Is my screen visible? Yeah. So Laravel is a framework for the like web artisans. It is a it is a framework of PHP that is run on the like full stacks and all the stuff. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you guys how we develop a base multi authentication with the Laravel within just 3 to 4 commands, and I will let you guys how we can seed the fake data inside our database. That can be any database like MySQL, MongoDB. You can use anything. Hello, Naga. Yeah. So Laravel is a framework for the like full stack development, and it is like connected with, it supports many databases, many frameworks like your React, Angular, Vue, Node, and like all the stuffs. It supports like it has a like multiple packages. So can anyone know what is the meaning of package? How packages are useful in our development? Do let me know, guys. Then we start with the like development thing. What is a package? How we utilize the packages or the modules, you can say. Do let me know, guys, if you know. Yeah, so yes, if anyone know, please let me know in the chat. So shall we proceed? Reusable codes. Correct, Suprabha. Packages are a reusable codes kind of a thing. That also packages a library or modules that I don't have to write the code from the scratch. Someone else has developed that package, and I have to install it in my where in my Laravel application, in my Node.js application, or any application that supports the packages. Okay, so this Laravel is run on like four things. First is our server that you have to install. This is a XAMPP server that runs on your local, and it runs on the Apache, and you have to start the MySQL for your connections, for your database connections. Okay. And the second thing, you have the composer installed in your system as well. The composer, on composer, all the Laravel runs. All the package, the Laravel framework runs on the composer. Okay, so you have to make sure you have installed the composer and the XAMPP server as well. XAMPP is for our local servers. Like if you are going to host it in the production mode, then the server is your hosting. That comes with the same Apache and the like MySQL. In that case, the things are getting like a bit different, not exactly the same, but the scenarios are same, the structure and the functionality is same. Yes, Satya, correct. It is useful to execute several small codes at once. Okay, now I'm starting and make sure you have the Node.js installed as well with the npm. So these four things you required for the Laravel. Okay, Now, inside your Laravel, once you installed with the XAMPP server, no, there is a like, and if you install the composer globally, you will see in the command prompt the composer version. If you type composer in the command prompt, I will show you guys. Let's type cmd. There is, yeah, let me wait. Yeah. Now see, if I type composer and hit enter, why on see, I am being shown with the like list of composer, and also my Laravel is installed. So for uh, for creating our project, like, can anyone know what is the command for starting my or creating, oh, sorry, creating my React project? What is the command for that? What is the command for that React JS creation of the project? Can anyone know? Do let me know, guys, in the chat if you know whatever I told you. I am just taking a small kind of a like test. What is the command for starting your React JS server? Oh, sorry, for creating your React JS project. Do let me know, guys. In the meanwhile, I will share my screen, and I am making it inside my HT docs. So I am opening a command prompt there for creating my Laravel project. Okay. Now see, for creating my Laravel project, there is a command composer create project Laravel slash Laravel. And I am using the 8 version of Laravel. Currently, the latest version of Laravel is 10. So I haven't correct one. npx create React app, and along with your name of the project. Npm start is for starting the servers, Anand. I have asked how to create a React JS project. So in that case you can specify the versions of with this command. This command is used for installing any particular version of the Laravel. Okay, so I have the like PHP of 8 version installed. Once you install the composer, you will get the like things done from the your system side as well. So I am using the 8 version. For 8 version, 8 point star. Separate project. Yeah, sure. We will plan that thing accordingly, Netravati. And let's say my project name is in Laravel. There is no like anything for like for the uppercase and lowercase. Do I can type whatever I want. And once I hit enter, my project is created inside my D drive, inside my backends folder, inside my HT docs. So it will take a little time to install all the dependencies. So in the meanwhile, how we can start, like what is the like full form of the how I am creating the response in the npm in the node, how I am rendering the hello world with the node.js. Can anyone know what is the like particular function for that? Do let me know, guys, in the chat. So till it's installing, Laravel also supports Node.js. So I am installing a like package. I'm using a package for the multi authentications for the authentication part, I'm using a package kind of a thing, that is Laravel Livewire. Okay, sorry, not Livewire. That is Laravel Jetstream. And there are two packages for authentication. I don't have to write the code from the scratch. There are two packages for authentication. One is my Breeze, and second one is my Jetstream. These are the two packages for the authentication in Laravel. Okay. Callback function is for calling the things back and sending a response. You are somewhat correct, Aman. Till wait. So I am sending the response. I have to write what? I have to write the HTML for the same. Okay. So in whatever like platform I have used, you can all video is blurry. Sushant, you have to make it uh, in the like high quality. Then only the video will be like shown. Because there might be like there is rain today, so there might be some network issues as well. So now, can you guys let me know what is the like command for going inside my folders? I have to go inside my project. The command is cd. Okay. Now my project name is, let's cut it. I'm not opening it here. I will show you guys in the VS Code. Video is blurry. No, the video is clear. I have also opened my phone as well. So in the HT docs, you see where is my project, Dexterity Laravel. And if you have the VS Code installed, right click, then show more options, and then open with code. Correct, Suprabha, CD. So let me make it aside as well. Okay, why this is happening? Because I have open. That's why. Let it close. I know that terminal is off. Now see, there are many folders. So there is no time for explaining each one of them. I'm explaining the main ones. The Laravel runs on the MVC, that is the model view controller. And our inside your SQL, there are the databases. So inside that database folder, we have to create a particular schema for the same. Okay. Now see, this env file is for our connections, for all the connections. Like for my database connections, I will be using this. If I change the name to something like, but I have sent different emails. Anjali, in that case, you have to talk to the team. So I am renaming the database with the Dexterity. Okay. And one thing you have to do, guys, is uh, to make sure that your servers are running. And after that, once you have changed that env file, you have to go to the admin, the that is your database. And once you guys click on a new, you have to just copy that same name. This thing is automated. Why it's not copied? So once I click on create, My database is created, but it doesn't have any tables. My database is created, but it doesn't have any tables, right? So for the tables, I will use, but first, before making the tables, let's make the authentication. Let's install our packages for the authentication, what we are going to develop. Okay, so I'm opening a terminal there, and inside my terminal, now see, first I am starting my server. For starting the server, there is a command for the Laravel as well, php artisan serve. And once I hit enter, my Laravel application will run on the local host port 8000. See, this is my local host. And once I open that, if you have the properly installed Laravel application, it will look something like this. It will show you the Laravel version, what I have installed along with the PHP versions. And it has the like separate documentation, Laracast, Laravel news. That's not our. Now see, I don't have a like login or sign up option. So for that, I am going to use a package. Okay. So I am using a package for the same. Do let me know, guys, if you have any doubt or something, so I can rectify that as well. So I am going to install my package. Okay. So for installing my package for the authentication, let me make that as well. Yeah, perfect. You, you should maintain only. Sure. Now see, I have to install a authentication package. There are two authentication package for the same. One is my Jetstream, and my second one is the Laravel Breeze. So I am using the Jetstream as of now. Okay. For installing the package, I have to use another terminal. So the command is composer. For installing any package, there is a command composer require Laravel slash the package name. My package name is Getstream. Once I hit enter, the all the dependencies of that particular package is installed in my composer.json file, and the packages are stored in the package.json, and composer stored all the like dependencies, what is my versions, like all the things. What is the version of my application? Composer.json is a file that stores all the what is the version of my Laravel, what is the version of my PHP, what is the version of my dependencies. All the things are stored in the composer.json file. Okay, so till it's get installed. And composer.log file is something that my application is logged to a specific version. As I have used the 8th version of Laravel, so my application will install the compatible version of all the packages similar to the Laravel 8 version. And that is because of which file? That is because of the composer.log file. Okay. Now my publishing is complete. Now see, there is a command for using the things. Now my second command is for installing the Livewire, because the Jetstream runs on the Livewire. Livewire is a like, you can say it is a like UI kit for using the things. That is a UI kit for the same. Once I hit enter, the command for installing Livewire is the Jetstream PHP artisan Jetstream, and then semicolon install. Screen is give different vibe of the emoji you use. Yes, I saw. My migration is created successfully, and till it's taking time. So I will show you guys which files we are using. The app, we are using three things: our controller, second is our database. Controller is something that returns a response, that returns something that, as you see, like the Node.js is returning some HTML like this. The controller is something that is returning me a response with the help of my route. My route is something, my route is the URL, whatever things I defined in the URL. So that thing will show. Okay. This package, it is generating the optimized files till wait. Now see, and my second thing is model. Once you create a database migration, the migrations are our data table schemas, because in a database there are many tables. Now see, livewire has also installed, but we have to install it properly with the npm. See, it's compatible with the npm as well. So I have to run two commands. That is, first I have to install my npm with the npm install inside my Laravel and hit enter. Attendance link is shared soon, Rishita. Once I hit enter, my node cd is like going to the directory. I don't know as well. I will let you know guys. I forgot the full form of cd. The certificate will be shared within 24 to 48 hours to you guys. Till our npm is installing, now comes to the model. What is a model? Model is something, once we create a database, that database has a like table has a separate model. For mapping that connect, for mapping the connections, we have to use the models. For filling the forms or something, the all the things are written inside a model. And for getting the things, my model is also used for the same. Sorry guys, in this session only the authentication part is done. Because of that, installations is taking too longer. So I will be only able to show you guys the authentication part only in this. Once we go with a like proper project kind of a boot camp, then I also provide you guys with the like full-fledged project in the full stack Laravel only. Yeah, change directory. Correct. You have Google it. It's taking time till it's get installed. Now my fourth thing is my routes. My route is something. There are four files in the routes. The API for defining your API routes. If you are maintaining or developing a API, the console and channels for the like delivering your channels, and the console API, console routes, and there is a route for the web that is used for your like in the HTML you define some routes, you define some URLs, so that in Laravel that is defined with the web.php. And the most important thing is Khushi, can you share? Yeah, the team will share with you. And if anyone in the chat has my LinkedIn, then you can share that in the meanwhile in the chat as well, so that all can connect. Now, till my now the most important thing of Laravel is it runs on a template engine, that is Blade. Inside that, the HTML will only be gonna return, but all the HTML is returned with the help of a Blade file, and the extension for creating our like I have to run another command for the same. Let's wait. For the proper installation, there is a command npm run dev. Okay, but before that, yeah, I can run that. Just a second. Npm run dev. That is the final command for installing that package, that authentication package of the Jetstream. Okay. Now the final thing is Laravel runs on the template engine that is returning only HTML, and that template engine is Blade dot, and the extension of the file is dot blade dot php. If I can show you, and that file is located inside my storage folder. No, not inside my storage folder, sorry. That is inside my resources folder, inside that, in my views folder. Like I have the views of the authentication, like login and register inside my auth folder, and the dashboard, whatever you see, like this is the main file that is returning here, like this is the file of welcome.blade that is returning pure HTML. You see, doc type HTML, it is the HTML file, but that is run on the like blade template engine. So the extension of the file is like, the file name is .blade.php. You have to save any view with the .blade.php. Now see, my Laravel build is successful. Now I have to do two or three changes. After that I will show you guys what is gonna happen. Okay, now see, I have to go inside my app, and inside my actions I have to go to 45 for creating a new user, for registering a new user. If I am registering a account there, so I am registering a new user. So in that case I have to do three changes inside my database as well. I go to database, and then my migrations. And my migrations is my table that is used for my registration is my users table. Okay. Now see, it has name, email. I don't, if I wanted you guys to add, I am doing the multi authentication. So inside that there is a like code for table, that is string. I have to define a user type. If the user type is one, I am the admin, and if the user type is zero, I am the normal user. Okay. So in that case, I have to define a user type, and its default value will be zero. Okay. And let's add phone as well. I'm adding the phone because it's the time to end as well. So make that thing. Sorry, guys. The pink. I'm making it, and with the phone, and that to nullable, and it can be null. Its value can be null. Nullable is like a function that my value can be of null. My database value can be null as well. It can be zero as well. Okay. Now once I save, now I have to add this phone inside my create new user. Okay, guys. Yeah, the attendance link will be shared within 5 minutes. Let's wait. So I go to the create new user and see, in the return I have to add my phone because I'm registering a new user. So it will throw me an error if I didn't add that, because I have used a package. I haven't made the things from scratch. Okay, now this phone, and save it. Now see, now there is a command. Now my table is empty. My database is empty. It doesn't have any tables. So for moving my tables to my database, there is a command for the same. I don't have to manually import and export the tables. There is a command for importing that, for migrating my tables to the database directly. That is PHP artisan migrate. And once I hit enter, all the migrations will get reflected to my, or if I refresh that, I will show you my all the tables with all the changes, all the necessary changes that I wanted. Now see, if I go to my, see, there are six tables, and I also have one, two, three, four, five, six migrations. And inside the user table, I have defined the user type and the phone. Okay. Now, if I refresh that, now see, it has login and the registration option as well coming, because my package is installed properly. Now it comes, if I refresh that, it comes with a login and register options. Okay. So once I register, go to register, there is error coming. The white is not properly installed in the 8 version, so I have a code for that rectification as well. You have to make sure the paths are properly enabled for the same. So I have to do two changes inside my views, and my main views are, I go to my view folder. No, this is not my view. I have to go inside my resources, and there is a view, there is a folder with the name layout. So you have to change it, guys. The two files, the app, let's this, see, this is the error we are coming. So I have to comment that and add this. I have to directly link the files from the assets. Oh, why it's slow? Do you guys have any doubt, or it's clear to you? Yeah, the attendance link is shared. Soon, allow us some time. Now there is a, I have to change another file as well with the same code. That is my app, and the guest that is inside my layouts. Okay. So I have to replace that thing as well. Once I save that, and once I go and refresh my page, now see, all the CSS is aligned. Now there is a issue. I don't have the phone field there. So how I am able to add that phone field? Because I have the phone in the registration option set. So for that you have to go to inside auth, and there is a file register.blade.php. So inside that register, you copy this email and add a phone field. That is for my, okay. Mm, I guess my system is very fast. It is deleting the necessary things as well. Not again there. Phone. Angular 15 CRUD operations along Oracle DB connection. Yes, it's possible. 15 CRUD operations. CRUD operations are like the basic ones. Phone, and the phone type is what? You know, guys, the basic HTML. The phone type is number, and my name. Let me copy that. Name is, I have to replace that thing as well. Now I am done. Once I click save and go to my register.blade, register view, I have a phone option as well. Now let's register with the admin. Admin, I'm not showing you guys the password. Okay, just a second. My now, if all the things are working fine, I am getting registered and logged in into my dashboard. See, I am logged in into my dashboard with the admin, whatever name I give. And inside my database, if I refresh that, I have an entry there with the default user type 0. To store so much memory, it's so mysterious how you can remember all this process. Practice. The practice makes the man. Like the user type is 0, I have set it to default 0. And if I want to change it to admin, I have to do up like some sort of code, and my multi authentication will be done within like 5 to 10 minutes. And my password is also stored. You can add two-factor authentication as well. If you go to the admin and go to the profile, you can add two-factor authentication with this package as well. I have tested it properly as well. If you go to the two-factor authentication and click enable, you have to enter your password and confirm. Once I confirm that if my password is correct, it shows me a code, so I can set up that thing with my Google Authenticator, and it will come with a like two-factor authentication as well. Okay, can we zoom your code? I can delete my account as well. I can go to the things as well. So I'm returning to the dashboard again. I am not enabling the two-factor authentication because I have to enter the password again and again when I log in. So this all from my side. Do let me know, guys, if you have any doubt or something, so we can wrap up. And I have a person that can tell you with how like the internships, whatever internships we provide, and all the stuff. And team, can I have the person online so that she will be able to tell the guys whatever we are offering to them? Yeah, let's are same for DB connection or may have some changes. No, you can use any database. Any database can be connected to your Laravel or any languages, whatever you are using for backend parts. You can use any but only the frameworks will support multiple databases. Not all the frameworks will support your database, multiple database, because in Python you can use the like in the Django framework and MongoDB and all. Team, can anyone know after the attendance when the person is online? Just a second, guys. If you guys have any doubt or something, you can ask. So I thought your like like the authentication part is clear from my side and clear to you guys as well. Yes, the team, can you please share the attendance? Yes, the attendance will be shared. I have message as well. For Angular, which DB is easy to use? You can use any DB, whichever you have command, like MySQL, MongoDB, NoSQL. There are many databases. Do you guys have any questions from me? Because today is the last session of the boot camp. गेट के पीछे घर चाहिए. Suraj, you are planning to like purchase a house. Impressive. If you guys have any doubt or like you can ask any questions from me from my side, so then you can ask. We are approaching the like end of the boot camp as well and the end of the session as well. That the team will confirm. Next session will be when? The next session will be at the plan, what the plan is. So I have a person that will tell you about what internships we are offering and in what fields we are offering, and her name is Preeti, and she will tell you guys what things we have for you guys, like the internships and all. We have so many internships like in the full stack web development, HRs and all the stuff we have, like in the Python, ML, data science, cyber security. We have all the internships in tech. Yeah. So Preeti, are you online? So we can switch. Guys, we
Hear
have.
me kindly. Do let me know in chat box. Like, is my voice clear? Am I audible? Yes or no? Am I audible? Okay, am I audible? Someone please let me know. Okay, is my voice clear? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you so much. And I hope that you have learned a lot of things in bootcamp. And we are open for the feedback and we are open for your request or suggestions. What another bootcamps you need, on which technologies you want bootcamps on. And by the way, I'll just introduce myself. I'm Preeti from Dexterity, a manager in Dexterity. I just want to tell you a few things. Yeah, thank you so much. And yes, as I already told you, we are open for suggestions. So do let us know which bootcamp you need next. And we have continuous bootcamps will be running on. And next month we do our have bootcamp. So we'll be giving you every updates and all. Fine. So the next 10 minutes of the session, which I'm gonna take as a most important session. Okay, as you have learned a lot in boot camps. Okay. Okay, so as you guys have learned a lot in bootcamp, we are providing internships too. And this internships and this dexterity is for a reason because we have reached out to a lot of companies. Okay, we have reached out to a lot of companies for internships. As a BTech student, we have reached out. But when it comes to prices, it is very pricey. Like it starts from 60,000. Few companies will give it for 1 lakh and all. And the worst price and the least thing I can reach out to is 10,000, which is normally not affordable by a common student like me. And like you, I guess, right? So this is why bootcamp is been happening, so that you'll get to know what all things you'll be like, okay, Python, Java, machine learning. Cool, great. We're gonna conduct bootcamp on this, and also Flutter. I have seen Flutter also. Okay, yes, you're gonna get the attendance link also. So can you just wait for a second? Yes, fine. So when we reached out to company, it's very pricey, and a common man, a common people cannot afford it. So that is why we came up with this concept of free boot camps along with internship. And guess what is here? For this boot camp, like for this internship, people who are getting are enrolled in this internship, you will be having a live interactive sessions with a lot of mentors, not just Saiteja and Kunal. I hope you have loved Saiteja and Kunal. There are bunch of talented mentors who are ready to speak to you, interact with you and all. Okay, so they will be taking your sessions, and this internship gonna be a wonderful internship. So if you want to get to know, like if you want to enroll the internship, you can enroll that. I'll tell you the process and all. And yes, okay. Someone is asking something. Python, MIS, we will be providing. And internships on what all technologies you can do internships on. Python, ML with Python. Okay, AI, Flutter, cyber security. Okay, cloud computing, full stack web development. What all you have learned in bootcamp is just basics. So when you're entering into bootcamp, like internship, what all the bootcamp thing is basics. But when you enter into internship, you will be learning till advanced, from basics to advanced. You will be getting to know every single thing. Okay, so you will be also meeting a wonderful mentors there. Okay, so yes, you will be providing attendance. And what is the best part of the internships? Don't worry about the certificate. If you are doing internships with Dexterity, that certificates will be at your doorsteps, which means you'll be getting physical certificates which will be delivered by Dexterity. Okay, so no more e-certificates and all. Will be you guys will be receiving physical certificates. Okay, yes, we do have web development internships, all technologies. Your request, we will be providing it. We are here for common students, like common people like you. Okay, yes, there is a fee structure that you have to pay. The least you can pay, we are offering that, because see, mentors, we have to pay for mentors, everything. And what is the best part? You will be doing live project with different companies. Okay, not just with Dexterity, you will be collaborating with companies while doing live project. And the project software, whatever it is needed, everything is for free. But for mentors, they'll be charging a little bit, so that we have to pay, which is for 4,500. Okay, which is for 4,500. And today we're gonna have 10 slots, only 10 slots for today, which you have to get registered paying 500 rupees. Okay, remaining 4,000 you can pay later. Okay, you will be given a little bit amount of time, so that you can pay later. To get registered, you have to pay 500 rupees, that's it. And the remaining 4,000 rupees you can pay later. And to get that internship link, to get registered for that internship link, do check the chat box. You'll be getting that link soon. So first come first serve, first 10 people who are texting them, you guys will be getting the registration link. Do get registered and enroll for the internship, to get the internship at lowest prices. And also later we'll be giving you a support to job placements and stipend based internship. Okay, right? So, and more boot camps will be in July. Okay, what are the topics you want to cover in boot camp, please let us know. We'll be doing it. Okay, right? So now people who want registration links can also, check the chat box for the registration link. I hope our team will be dropping the registration link soon in the chat box. So do get registered for that. And if you have any doubts, please do ask in the chat box. You will be getting, yes, Muzamil, you'll be getting the WhatsApp link in the chat box. Just yes, it is a 2 months program. Basically, it is a 2 months ka internship. And people, your friends, call up your friends. It's time for people who want to get attend. Yes, who want to get certificates as well. People who are attending 7th bootcamp session will be getting certificates. So people who want certificates, people who want to get enrolled for the program, ask your friends to join the bootcamp like right now and do get registered for the bootcamp. You can join internship. It is for students, Harshita. Okay, that was a good question. This is for students and the working employees as well, so that you'll be getting classes in the evening, just like you're attending boot camps. You can attend the internship as well. So mentors like Sai, Teja, Kunal, and a lot of talented mentors will be helping you, guiding you throughout the internship, theoretical, and then while it comes to the project part, they will be helping you throughout this. Okay. Yes. Okay. No, you have to get registered for the program, Supriya. For internship, you have to pay 4,500, and to get registered today, which is for 4,500, to get registered, you just have to pay 500 rupees. Okay. You'll be getting the link. Okay. I'm interested. Okay. Attendance link you'll be getting soon. Okay. Thank you. Okay. And also let us know which all topics you want for the bootcamp, next bootcamp. Now, internship is paid. The first month, which is the theoretical month, you're going to pay for mentor basically. Okay, for the mentor, you're gonna pay. Remaining is for free, which is 4,500. Okay, so yes, we'll be giving registration link. Okay, Harshita, thank you. Yes, it will start from basics to the advanced. Basic to intermediate to advanced, they'll be teaching you. We'll be covering entire topic. For example, if you're taking up Flutter or if you're taking up cloud computing or cyber security, we'll be covering each and every topic to advance. Okay, first do this paid internship, then you'll be getting a free internship. Okay, the payment is for teaching you basically. Okay. Yes, you will be getting Python, A and ML. Okay. Our team will be posting the registration link, WhatsApp link. So, not stipend. You have. Okay. Embedded systems. Yes, we do have embedded. Raspberry Pi and Arduino Bootcamp. Yes, we'll do that. Sure. Cyber security will do that. Embedded basics will do that. Java, Python, okay. A lot of people were requesting for Flutter. If I'm not wrong, we do have internship on Flutter. So electric vehicles we have. VLSI, yes, we do have VLSI. Okay, data analyst we have. Embedded we have. We'll be sending registration link. Kindly wait, have patience. First come, first will be getting the link. First 10 people will be getting the link. First 10 people will be getting the internships basically. Okay, we are gonna select first 10 people who are interested to take internship program. Yes, we do have registration link. It was pinned. So use that link, get the registration link, do the registration and enroll for our internship only for 10 people. First 10 people will be getting. Okay, the internship. Okay, the link also will be provided for 10 people itself. So first come first, make it fast if you want to be a part of Dexterity. Okay, the registration link is pinned. So use that link. App development we do have. Yes, certificate you will be getting. No, it's paid. Electrical vehicles internship program, it's paid as I told you. It's 4,500. You have to pay 5,000. Oh, sorry, 500 as a registration fees and block your slot, and remaining you can pay later. Okay, the link is working. The link is working. Team, kindly check with the link. It's not working as it is working. The link is working. Yes, no, no, no. First 10 people will be getting the slot for 4,500. Usually, look at other internship, they'll be charging around 10,000. The least minimum price is 10,000. Okay, if they are putting good lectures and all, it is 10,000. So, first 10 people will be getting the internship for 4,500 only. Okay, and you just have to pay 500 to register your slot now. Thank you. Yes, C programming will do that. Okay, congratulations, people who. Oh, okay, someone is asking, you can choose any month. Okay, you can choose any month to start your internship. And also, let me tell you, people who got registered today, tomorrow you will be getting a chance to talk to some good experts who will be guiding you with the program which you want to take, with the technology you have to, take and all. If you have any confusions, and yes, you can reach out to them. Okay, so they will be guiding you tomorrow. Thank you, Lohit. I hope Kunal and Saitika's teaching is very good, and you will get to meet a lot of people like them and more experienced people, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Flutter from scratch. Yes, from basics, from scratch. As this program is for from first year to final year students, we will start from scratch, basics to the intermediate advanced level. We'll be doing it. Okay, any other doubts I can see like attendance link? Yeah, I will be getting. You will get bootcamp certificate. You will let you know in the in your groups, respective groups. Okay, the current registration link is pinned. So if you want to register for our program, our internship program, along with placement assistance, yes, you will be getting it. Okay, Dikshit, we understand your problem. We'll give you the attendance form, but for that, you need some patience. No, yes, it is for person who, yeah, anybody can enroll. People who are interested can enroll for the program. Okay. Yes. Can you just brief me about what more details you want? The internship is for 2 months. Okay. It is for 2 months. Industry experts will be teaching you. Okay. And this will be in the evenings and on the weekend so that it won't clash with your college timings. Yes, we will support. Well, we will be giving support for placements also. We'll be giving at support for placements also, so don't worry. No. Today is the last day of boot camp. That is why we are giving this offer. And also internship for only 10 people, not every other who is interested. Okay. Yes, it is available, Chakravarti. Yes. Full stack basics will be teaching you. The problem for online offline internship is, for example, an expert who is working currently from Mumbai. Okay, you want to do an offline internship, you can't go Mumbai. He can't come there, and people from different states, students from different states are enrolling for the program, so we can't gather them. Online is today's trend. So yes, you will be receiving certificate in 48 hours. Yes, it is a pay. Yeah, it is available. Cyber security available. Online, as I told you, I just gave you why it is online. Available. Attendance है. Attendance है. We'll give you the link. As I told you, in 48 hours you'll be receiving the certificate, so don't worry about the bootcamp certificates. No, this is the last time we'll be providing attendance. Okay, so the difference between a bootcamp certificate is you just learn the basics of like web development, right? So, how about learning till advanced and doing real time projects? In this internship, you're gonna collaborate with different companies to complete your projects. Okay, you will be working on three different projects in this, so that you will have hands-on experience, which are guided by our industry experts. Now, there is a difference, right? So, with the industry experience certificate, you can easily grab jobs in MNCs. Okay. After registration tomorrow, you'll be getting a call from our excellent team of Dexterity where you can choose your program. Okay, you can do the further process. Yes, we'll be giving placement support also. So don't worry about placement. You guys will get through it. C language, okay. Okay, you fill the attendance form, only forget about registration if you don't want. No, only for first 10 people who are registering will be getting the internship. Okay. Congratulations for get registered for the program. You will get to know all the benefits through a call tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, our team will give you attendance link. Yes, you will be providing all the information and doubt discussion sessions with mentor Supriya. So there you can discuss your doubts, and also we'll be giving you contacts of mentors so you can freely discuss about your doubts and all. I am sorry, but mentors are not willing to come offline. They do have jobs and experience, right? Yes, I can check. Yes, you got the attendance link also. It's been so do fill the attendance form to get the certificates. It is for every student day, Dikshit. It's for every student, everyone. You will get certificates in 40. How to apply? Till now, we are circulating a WhatsApp link. Unfortunately, Vamsi have missed that link. So, yeah, the attendance link is live. So, do cast your attendance. You'll get certificate in of 48 hours. So, don't worry. I hope all of you have filled the attendance form as well to get the certificates. Okay, someone are asking our team how why should we pay? Only for mentors. Only for mentors who are struggling to explain you everything in detail, and also they're spending a lot of time to explain your doubts. They will be 24/7 available in this internship period. For that you're paying, which is very affordable amount. And remaining projects, certificates, everything is for free till placement support. Okay. Yes, if you have attended all the classes, you'll be getting certificate. Okay, I guess Any month, it's your wish. You can, okay, you can choose your month. For example, if you are having exams in July month, you can start your internship in August month. It is completely student flexible program. Okay. Wow, Seema, congratulations. And there goes the registration link again, so you can get registered with this. Okay. When will our internship start? I just told you the internship starts whenever you want. It is flexible for students and working people, graduates, and all. Okay. Yes, if you are getting a registration link, you are in 10 people. If you don't get registration link, I'm sorry, 10 slots are done. Good, Swati. What if we are providing offline for only Hyderabad? What about Mumbai, like other state ka people? As I told you, Sharath, all the other internships will start every month. Okay, you can choose your month. Thank you, Seema, and also do subscribe so that you'll get updates on the other boot camps which gonna conduct in July month. Okay, the attendance link was done, Yashraj. I'm sorry. If you're done with the attendance and we can't provide in any city offline, I'm so sorry. Yes, the attendance link is fine. Live again, you can go cast your attendance. You can fill the attendance form and yes, the cost will be 4,500 for all the technical and non-technical. Yes, we do have non-technical courses like finance, HRs. Most of the BTech students are going into HR stream. Okay, so you can also get that knowledge. HR, digital marketing. The current high-paid jobs are for digital marketing people. Okay, so we do have digital marketing, data science, what not. In 48 hours. Thank you so much, Gopi, and also do subscribe to the channel so that you'll get updates on different boot camps on different technologies on your request. Rohit, if you are filling the form, attendance form today, yes, you'll be getting certificates. Thank you, Deepak. For boot camp, it is e-certificates, but for people who are registering for internship, they'll be getting certificates physically at your doorsteps. Project submission will be done online only. Sindhu, our mentors will be helping you with that. Rohit, I have answered your questions. Project submission is also online. That will be guiding by our mentors. Yes, Satya, as I told you, if you get registration link, you are in 10. If you're not getting any registration link, sorry, 10 slots are done. Okay. You just text through WhatsApp, you'll be getting a registration link. If you are done with, yes, very useful. I'll just tell you how this certificate is useful. Ma'am, how this bootcamp certificate is useful. If an interviewer know that you have attended a boot camp all 7 long days and got a certificate, which means you are open to learn. You're open to learn technologies as a software, IT job employee or whatever it is. When you are into IT sector or software sector, you have to be a continuous learner. Okay, you have to learn all the new technologies, no matter what experience you have and all. Okay, so you have to learn. So this will help you a lot. Thank you so much, Seema. Uh, Bharati, the attendance is done. I think you've missed it. Sorry, Pranjal, that is not registration link. I'm sorry. Now the registration is pinned. Through that you have to get to register. Okay. That will be done tomorrow, Satya. If you are done with the registration today, tomorrow our team will be calling you. The experts will be calling you to guide you which program you are interested in, which have future, which have package and all. They'll help you to choose the course also. Okay. Thank you so much, Teja. I would love to hear your feedback on bootcamp and also, as I told you, technologies. We are open to suggestions. Yes, you will be receiving in 48 hours certificate bootcamp ka. It what project? Sindhu, can you just brief your question? I didn't get your question. Which project you're talking about? If it is related to internship, yes, you'll be doing 2 projects, 2 to 3 projects in your internship period, where mentors will be helping you and guiding you. Attendance is done, Abraham. Chandra will look into it. Chandra will look into it. Yes, we do provide webinars. Okay. With certificate, bootcamp certificate, you will be receiving online e-certificate and certificate. I'm talking about internship certificates, not certificates. Certificates. You're gonna receive 3 certificates, valuable certificates at your doorsteps, door delivery. I'm sorry, I can see someone also missed attendance links. That is why you have to be active and patient all through the session. Yes. You don't have to have any prior knowledge, Naina. Okay, because first year to final year students will be taking up this internship, so you don't need any prerequisite knowledge. You just we will start from scratch, from basics. Will start to the intermediate advanced level. Will be teaching you. Okay, which link you are talking about, Ibrahim? I'm sorry, you have missed it. Okay, thank you, Kalyan. Okay, how many of you want another boot camp with Sai Teja, and how many of you want another boot camp with Kunal? I would love to hear that also if you want. So if you want any boot camp with Kunal or if you want any boot camp with Sai Teja, please let us know. We'll plan that also. And the registration link will be closed. The registrations will be closed because we are near to get our people. I'm sorry, Chandrasekhar, not possible if I'm not wrong. Yes, bootcamp with who? Sai Teja or Kunal? Okay, the registration link will expire now. Okay, we are near to the count. So people who are really interested do register soon because no, I'm sorry, Sindhu. Oh, this is not possible. We are not asking any project submission and attendance link. So check with the link once. Bootcamp का 1 certificate. Okay, Pinky Kunal, Sai Teja, good. I understand, Ibrahim. If you have filled the form 6 times, I'll make sure that you'll be getting the certificate. And Eid Mubarak. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much, Ishraj. Okay, we'll bring Kunal for another bootcamp. Sure. Ibrahim, if you have felt the different, like from till yesterday, 6 days ka boot camp attendance, I'll make sure that you'll be getting the certificate. It's okay. You celebrate your festival for today. Kunal sir, okay. We'll bring Kunal sir, Saiteja sir, and both. Good. Okay, Vrem, you'll be getting your certificates. Don't worry about that. And also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn. And as soon as you get the certificates, do update your certificates in your LinkedIn so that you will have that you can build your LinkedIn profile very effectively. It will affect, like, you can reach out to a lot of HRs, MNC ka HRs. LinkedIn is a great platform where you can meet HRs and get jobs. So when you update with your certificates and all, it will be a strong LinkedIn profile. When recruiters are viewing your profile, that will looks like a strong one. The internship will be online, Netravati. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. We only have two slots left, so we're gonna close the registration soon. So make sure that you are registering for the program. So only two slots left. That too, we're gonna close it. Okay, okay. So if you want to get registered, make it fast. Only for today, it is 4,500, only 10 slots left. If you are in that lucky to, make sure that you do the registration fast so that we'll complete the registration, we'll close the session. And if you have any doubts, please do reach out to us on LinkedIn or Insta or through the link. You can reach out to us anyway. Okay. Fine. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. So people have no, next time, Sharath. I'm so sorry because it is difficult to refer a lot. See, a lot of people of you are interested, okay, but referring all of them to jobs is a difficult task. So that we will only take 10 people this time, which is 4,500. And yes, if you are choosing any domain, you can choose any domain, same registration link, any domain. Yes, you can use the certificate to get jobs. Yes. Any domain, same registration link. So first do get registered. You'll be receiving a call from our people, our staff, where they'll be guiding you how to choose a course wisely, how to complete that course, and which course have demand in market now, where we can get a number of job opportunities. Everything will be guided on call tomorrow. Anything else you can ask me? Yes, HRs will be guiding you, and also this internship certificate, basically, which will let the HR know that you have hands-on experience along with companies. Basically, a student is not eligible to do projects along with companies, but here you are getting that chance to collaborate with companies and complete your projects. Okay, in which you'll be getting a lot of experience. Then, when they are shortlisting your resume, okay, when they are shortlisting this, then you will be given the priority. Thank you. Thank you so much. I would love to know your real name. It's Godzilla here. I'm sorry, Srinivas, you have to be throughout the session so that you would not miss the attendance link. You missed it anyway. Okay, we'll see it, Swati. So calm down. Abhi, we'll see it. We'll look into it. As we already informed you to attend 7 sessions and fill the attendance form. I'm sorry, Shubham, attendance is done. I've answered your question, Avinash. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Good, Jisha. Congratulations. Welcome to the family of Dexterity, where we'll be guiding you everything till you get placed. We'll be giving a lot of guidance, not only internship on technical stuff. You'll be getting extra classes how to crack interview, mock interviews. You'll get to interact with different kind of mindsets. For example, if you're competing with 30 other people in your section, how will you compete with 1,000 other people who are applying for the same job, right? Now, you will get to meet a lot of people here in this internship where you will get to know different mindsets, okay? So, you can do a group discussions. That will be a whole lot of different experience in this internship, okay? And also, if you want any other courses, non-technical also, let me know. Boot camps on nutrition, boot camps on finance, or stock marketing boot camps, anything you can let me know. And the registrations will be closed soon. We only got 10 minutes to do the registrations. Make it fast, guys, make it fast. People are interested. Do the registrations fast so that you will be a part of Dexterity family. Yes. No other people. We only take 10 people, Sharath. I'm sorry for that. We only take 10 people today. That is for 4,500 rupees. And 500 registration fee only for today, exclusively for today. As today is 7th day and last day of our bootcamp, today is just for 500. Make use of the opportunity and later don't regret that I haven't used the opportunity. Thank you, Pujita. Thank you, Kalyan. Anything else you guys need to know from our end? And let me tell you one last time, you're gonna work with people who got registered, all the nine people, sorry, Janisha, including Jisha, sorry. Okay, all the nine people will get a wonderful interaction with industry expert and placement opportunities. Today we're gonna take registrations, Sharath, which is for 4,500. We only have 10 slots, no other slots, no other people. Okay, one last slot is waiting for you if you are interested. And the registration fees is what? 500 and remaining 4,000 you can pay later. There is a minimum time for that where you can finish that remaining payment. And all the details about the registration, I mean, after the registration details and all will be taken by our wonderful team who will let you know and guide you about the process, how to get placements and all. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? No? And to learn more from me and my team, yes, Anjali will provide you, will confirm with you while doing registration, like while giving you certificates, will confirm with you whether it is you or not. Using different mail IDs also will confirm with you, it's okay. Okay. And to learn with me and my team, do register for the internship program. Yes, yes, a lot of people are asking me, a lot of people are texting our team that for every domain is that the same registration. Yes, registration link is same for every domain. Tomorrow you're gonna take up like choose the course, take up the domain. Okay, today you're gonna just register for the internship. Tomorrow you'll be choosing your domain and all. Okay. Anything else from our end? Anything else you wanted to know? Yes, we'll end the session soon. So, people who want to get registered, do visit our WhatsApp, that link which is pinned. And people who want to know more details about internship, you can reach out to me on Insta, Dexterity Insta, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Subscribe our channel to get to know more updates of our bootcamp, which is happening on July on different topics. And you can also reach out to the same WhatsApp thing. Okay, so we'll end up the session. Hope you guys have learned a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We'll see you soon with another bootcamp. Thank you.